nikigwetete timu iria igathiie kurirukia bendera ya bururi wa Kenya mwena wa Paris ngarangano-ini cia Paris 2024 Olympics. Nyabara wa timu no Kevin Wambua na mwihoko ati nimekura magika wega mbitika-ini cia athaki aria magwetetwo ni hamwe na Kelvin Wekesa, Brian Tanga, John Okoth hamwe na angi aingi. Mothe wa Juma Shujaa magatungana na Nigeria Namibia oro hamwe na Zambia.
The preparation have been quite well, having to blend in the new guys as quick as possible for us to see how we can fix them and blend in with the older guys that were there and see how we can move on with the program. Going to Harare, we are very hopeful because a lot is at stake.
It will be a very wonderful trip, considering the fact that we've been working on the nitty-gritties that ailed us last season and gelling with the new boys.
How we want to approach this tournament again, we want to take it a game at a time, play every game like a final. I know everybody here is focused about South Africa, but we have to beat the other teams in the pool first before we meet South Africa. So our approach is quite simple. We have our individual and team profiles.
So this team is very happy. So one thing I can tell you, if there's a happiness index or a happinometer to measure happiness, basically this team is in a good place. So that is one big difference. Before there were issues, we have SportPesa with us. Players now, of course, they'll be leaving. They've been paid the allowances. So there's a good flow of things happening. So we're very confident. The team has trained very hard.